patuloy na maging instrumento sa pagtulong at magbigay ng pag-asa sa iba. Yan naman ang layunin na isang organisasyon na voluntaryong nagbibigay serbisyo sa maraming tao. Ang kanilang mga proyekto, alamin natin dito.
Masasabing ang pag-angat ng isang grupo, komunidad at maging ng mundo ay sa pamamagitan ng pagtutulungan at pusong may kagustuhang tumulong. Kaya nagsagawa ng makabuluhang conference ang Rotary International District 3830 na pinamagatang Forging Hope, Taking Flight, kung saan layunin ng organisasyon na palaganapin pa ang pagtutulungan at magbigay pa ng pag-asa lalo na sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong.
Well, Rotary is really fellowship through service. So we want to inspire our members. And at the same time, there is fellowship as we come together. And it's also a celebration of the service that we have done.
We talk about mental health. We talk about financial freedom. We talk about AI. And all those things nakadikit sa pag-asa.
Binigyan diin sa conference ang mga mabibigat na paksa kasama ang mga advocates tulad ng mental health awareness, financial freedom, AI development at koneksyon sa mga tao at maging sa Diyos.
My own ways of helping and educating my countrymen when it comes to financial literacy is something that I'm very passionate. Kahit kunyari makasalubong tayo sa street tapos may tatanong kayo about savings, I would love to, have a conversation when it comes to that.
It's really encompassing. Walang hindi vulnerable sa mental health concerns. And even if sa tingin natin, naramdaman natin na wala naman talaga tayong feeling of poor mental health, it's always good to talk about it and be open about it kasi that's the only way that we can really help and inspire other people.
And it's an absolute honor to have been invited and to be part of the speakers for today. At this point in time, AI is just a tool. Diba? Parang Word, parang Excel yan eh. It really depends on you, how you want to use it, how good you can be when you use it. Because at this point, you can still control how you want to use AI. Hindi pa tayo i-control yan. It's really up to us to make the most of it.
Masasabing ang organisasyon ay maraming programa para sa edukasyon, pangkalikasan at lalo na sa pangkalusugan na talagang binibigyan nila ng atensyon.
Yung flagship project namin sa community, marami po tayong mga kabataan na tinatawag na merong congenital heart condition. So kami sa Rotary International tsaka yung Rotary Club Makati West and other partners, tinutulungan po namin sila. Walang pili yan. Basta mahirap, nangangailangan, na may problema sa puso nila, marami tayong partner hospitals.
Aside from all the things that GovG has already been doing, from Gift of Life, Gift of Mobility, which is basically providing a person with a wheelchair. So as of today, we are doing 20 persons with cataract.
Hindi maikakaila na marami ang nangangailangan ng tulong. At sa kabila nito ay ang pagsusumikap ng ilang organisasyon na maging instrumento na makapagbigay ng tulong at inspirasyon. Dahil ika nga, a helping hand can be a ray of sunshine in a cloudy world.